Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar. This is Varun. In this video I will teach you how to play the song Azhagarna Ratchasiye from the Tamil movie Mudhalvan, and this video contains the tutorial for the Pallavi part, and the Anubalapi part I will be doing in another video. So hope you can learn from this video. Thank you. So the Pallavi start from this note in the second string 12th fret. So that is B, and first string 12th fret, which is E. Azhagarna. So B, B, E, then again B. So all these notes are in the 12th fret in second string and first string. So for second string 12th fret 2 strike, first string 12th fret 1 strike, and again back to second string 12th fret 1 strike. So that is Azhagarna. Azhagarna. Ratchasiye. Next part is Azhagarna Ratchasiye. So that Ratchasiye is in the second string, 9th and 10th position. 9th and 10th position, which is F sharp, G sharp and A. Ratchasiye. That Ratchasiye note is 12th fret, 10th fret, 9th fret. So 12th fret is B, and this note is A, and this note is G sharp. Ratchasiye. And we are stopping at this particular note, which is F sharp. Okay. Azhagarna Ratchasiye. And again we are repeating the second time the same note. Adi nenjil udikkiru. And again. So totally 4 times we are playing the same notes. And next is Adi Manasal. Adi Manasal, same note actually, 12th fret, second string and first string. That note is B and E. Adi Manasal. So that is 12th fret of second string 2 times, 12th fret of first string 1 time, and again 12th fret of second string 2 times. The note is B, B, E, B, B. Adi Manasal. Which is in the first string, that is E and F sharp. And next is this particular note, that is D sharp, E, D sharp, B. E and D sharp in first string, 12th and 11th fret, and this B is in second string. Adi Manasal Azhagil. And next is Kodikirde, and that is in the second string, and the note is in the 10th, 11th, 10th, 9th and 7th fret. Kodikirde. So 10th, 9th, 10th, 9th, 10th, 9th and 7th. Note is A, G sharp, A, G sharp, then F sharp. So up to this, if you are playing all together, it will be like. And next is la 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 la, and that note is Veliya, which is in the second string. Note is in the 7th, 9th and 10th position. F sharp, A, G sharp. Veliya, F sharp, A, G sharp. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra. That is F sharp, A, G sharp. Then we apply the plucking style. We press this particular note A and move towards B note. See. So in one strike, two notes we are playing. So that is these two notes A and B in one strike. And the note is F sharp, A, G sharp and one strike. Then next one is A and B. Then again this particular note, which is G sharp and A. This is very easy. You can play in the second string as well. And the note is F sharp and E. So E you can play in the second string 5th fret, or else you can play the note E in the third string. Third string 9th fret is actually E. Okay, third string 9th fret is E, or else you can play in the second string at 5th position, 5th fret, that is also E. So which one you feel comfort, you can play there, okay, based on your convenience. So these two notes, E and F sharp. So la 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 la. So same notes we coming in that particular lyrics as well. And next one is and next part is and that part is in the first string. That is first string 12th and 14th fret. 12th is E and 14th is F sharp. E and F sharp. Two strike in E, one strike in F sharp. And next is E, D sharp, B. This is also B. And again we are playing the same note. And that time we are moving towards upward. From F sharp we are moving towards A, G sharp and A. And we are stopping at F sharp. Then again we are playing. Ratchasiye adi nenjil kodikkirathe. So this is all about the Pallavi part. Hope you can learn from this video. Thank you.